Machiegni kendo, Komishona mag riwruoge mag saga David Obonyo owacho ni sirkal osechako duoko omenda mano oyaki kowuok e riwruoge mag saga. Kanoloso yo Mombasa e sach romo mar jokanyo mag riwruoge saga mag apisa mag obila, Obonyo kanyakla gi jakom mar Cusco David Mategwa nowacho ni gigeto duoko omenda maromo siling bilion achiel higani. Okang' ma kamano giwacho ni dhi medo bero kata tego yie ma jokanyo mag riwruoge mag saga.
We are doing a lot of recoveries, and if all goes well, because also I think people economically, because we have properties that we are put on sale, so that in the process of selling, we'll be able to continue refunding back the money. So we have repossessed some properties which are lined up. So for me, if it goes through, we'll recover this year almost 1 billion if all goes well. If I can calculate what we have repossessed, it goes to that figure.
So with that kind of restructuring, which is going to be concluded before the end of this year, I think we are able to regain the confidence, and I'm happy that because of that, even some of those circles, after getting some of the installments of the refunds of the money they have invested there, at least I can see them that they are trying to come back, and that's why most of our circles are doing so well.